The adjective
Pignolo,
in Italian is used to describe someone who is fussy, pedantic, or extremely meticulous in nature.
pignolo,
It derives from the word
pigna,
pine cone, but precisely how it came to denote a fussy person is uncertain. According to Treccani, this figurative use is probably based on the comparison between the pine nut,
pinolo,
embedded inside the pine cone, and the kind of person who cannot free themselves from a meticulous mindset. Because it's an adjective, the ending changes according to the gender and/or plurality of the person it modifies.
pignolo,
Masculine singular,
pignola,
feminine singular,
pignoli,
masculine plural,
pignole.
feminine plural. Pignolo and its feminine equivalent, pignola, can also be used as nouns to mean fussy person, nitpicker, or fusspot. You'll often see it used in the expression
Fare il pignolo,
or
fare la pignola.
which means to be fussy.
Fossi in te, accorcerei il video ancora di qualche secondo. Dai, non fare il pignolo adesso. Va bene così com'è.
If I were you, I would shorten the video by a few extra seconds. Come on, don't be fussy now. It's fine as it is.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.